You guys all remember Lee Thibodeau? Lee Thibodeau here, my favorite guy. So this is the problem, guys. There's a huge problem in the insurance industry that people don't really realize, and that is for people who are paraplegic. If you lose your vehicle, you are losing your mobility, and this is the type of thing that Lee has to go through in order to leave his house. He needs to have a vehicle. So no insurance companies out there actually provide vehicles that are paraplegic hand controls, and Lee's actually had to retrofit this rental car to accommodate his needs. I'll show you guys. It's actually it's kind of ingenious, to be honest. But
so I'll lift this up a bit here too. So that's the size it goes. So it's just a nice stick. So it's push forward for brake, and then it's all thumb driven there on the gas. So I got these nice hand controls in the States because the insurance company, or actually with Enterprise and a few of the vehicle companies for rentals, they have a few things outfitted, but it's not like custom or as comfortable for everyone. Because I'm a right hand control operating type of guy, and they only had left hand controls in vehicles that just didn't work for me. So for me to hop in, I got to hop in now, disassemble my wheelchair, throw it in. So I'm eager to get my truck back and get my wheelchair lift system and everything going, and get back on the road. So this is temporary.
so what's the update?
The
What's
update
going on with
is
the truck?
So we have the truck. It's at Breeze Auto, and
Okay.
so we're gonna put a new engine and transmission because unfortunately water got through and some excessive heat with the transmission being taken off road. So we're doing new engine, and then Rich is refinishing, is gonna do paint and body work and touch up, extreme graphics for the vinyl. We'll be back here to get dash cameras and sound systems and
Full-on alarm
the
this
works
time,
and
maybe?
anti-theft alarm system,
Yeah.
so that the Superman truck cannot be taken. You know,
This is what I love about Lee. He's unstoppable. This guy is unstoppable, and that Superman truck really is exactly who Lee is. He's unstoppable. You know, he's not gonna let anything get him down. He's not gonna let anybody bring him down. And if he wants to get somewhere, that's what he does. Right?
Gotta keep living.
Gotta
Just
keep living, right?
Yeah.
And
And I got all my friends and all the support in the community. That's why I'm here with Gadlin, and we're just discussing things. So, I can't complain. I really appreciate all the help.
You're so welcome, Lee. I mean, Jesus. But look at these little hand controls. You
Yeah,
got it
look
rigged
at
up,
that,
eh?
Yeah.
You got it rigged up.
So it's nice. It's comfortable. I can just sit
you're
my
mobile,
hand. Yeah.
Right? I mean, he's, unfortunately,
Get to the grocery
as
store,
part
get
of
to
the,
therapies,
getting in and out of the vehicle with the wheelchair, things get a little damaged, and insurance companies need to get their shit together. I mean, why don't they have vehicles?
We're working on it.
Yeah?
Bel Air and Intact Insurance have been very reasonable and very nice to me. So,
Yeah.
and we're working out a few bugs because they realized, we didn't think of that. So, you know what, I'm advocating and we're working on it. So I give them the benefit of the doubt.
Because you're not alone.
And so, not alone in this world. And I think of others. So we're working on it.
Yeah.
And Bel Air and Intact has been generous to me and been working through the hiccups, and they've been totally reasonable. So I've been really, really grateful for that. So I can give them some accolades there and thank them very much for that. So we're working on it. We're getting
on it.
We're
Well,
getting there.
that's the update, guys. Lee's mobile. His truck's getting fixed up, and with time, you'll see it back here at Carphonix. And any final words?
Superman will be back on the road soon. He's muddling through and doing just fine. So thanks, guys.
See you guys.